This bout racing. Project E. Finally, you show yourself. That's an FD. What's that? An H6.
Airport looking like that. What's going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to Project Zangetsu. Alright guys, welcome to today's video. This is a bit of a special or exciting one for me. It's not necessarily automotive, but we are getting a bit of an upgrade to our YouTube equipment. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for some items that I got from Temu that I'll be showing you in just a minute. So here's our package. What we have in here is a action camera, not necessarily a GoPro, as well as a drone and a GoPro strap for me to shoulder mount the action camera. I do have a head mount that I already have that I can still use. I just want to try out and see what the shoulder angle will look like, and these are the parts themselves. We'll be unboxing them in a moment. Alright guys, here is a crude automotive unboxing coming your way. Just gonna rip into this now. This is literally the first time I'm seeing these things. As you can see, I can't fake sealing a package. So let's see, I'm thinking this is probably the camera. You got it in frame?
See both your hands.
Okay, so this is a USB cable for the camera. This is the cage for the camera. And this is like extra hardware to secure the cage to whatever attachment you're gonna use. Just put that on the scoop. And I think these are adhesive plates that you can mount the camera using. Screaming kids in the background, always awesome for a YouTube video. And then here is the camera itself. Apparently it's HD, 1080p. I hope the mic's good to capture the turbo sounds and the rumble, because that's one of the main reasons why I got it. Okay, I'm not gonna figure it out right now, but you guys have seen, here's more mounting hardware. What do we have here? It looks like it's a pouch. And then some instructions, which I'll be reading later. Okay, that's the camera out of the way. Let's put that there. And then next, we have, as I thought, the strap. So this is supposed to be a shoulder-mounted strap. Let me see if I can figure this out now.
Something like that.
Oh, cool. Stretchy, because I'm not exactly thin. There we go. And then your camera basically goes over there while you're driving. So that's cool. And then the pièce de résistance, the drone, ladies and gentlemen. This is my first drone ever. At least I believe it's a drone. That's what I ordered. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna need something to cut this with.
Car keys.
Thank you to my awesome assistant in Tutuo, whose place we are at, as you can see from the background.
Nice.
Nicely packaged in this executive looking thing. It feels so light though. Okay. So I guess...
Is it also 1080?
I hope so, but I think there's probably a way I can mount the GoPro onto it. If I do some sort of like modifications.
Extra weight though, I don't know.
True. Okay, it's a bit of a transformer. These are the propeller wings, I'm guessing.
Christmas morning all over again.
Dude, I love being a YouTuber. Okay, there's the drone. I'm guessing this is its camera. Oh, this is the remote control. It's supposed to have a camera. Oh, there's the camera.
Yeah.
Right there. I wonder if it's adjustable. It is.
Is there another one underneath it?
Feels a bit loose. No, just this one. I don't know if this is for batteries or what.
What's that other hole?
Other one? This?
No, under it is a black
This.
spot thing.
This looks like something.
Oh, okay. Like a mounting thing.
Yeah. But we'll figure it out. This is basically just an unboxing for the time being. And then this is the remotes. All these things feel so light. But it's basically gaming controls in terms of the format. Something goes here, I'm not sure what. Maybe a screen of some sort, but it doesn't seem to have one.
Cell phone maybe?
Maybe. Oh yeah, and it probably hooks up to the cell phone. Okay, and there's instructions in there which we'll figure out later. So there's a crude YouTube unboxing for you guys. My first one on the channel. Okay. Alright guys, well there you have it. That brings us to the end of today's video. I know it was very short. The thing is, I shot this after work and we're running out of light, and I'm also running out of phone battery. So there wasn't enough time for me to figure things out as well as film them within the same video. I would have loved to make it a lot longer. But I think maybe this is a nice sort of like tidbit teaser kind of thing until I've figured out the equipment, and then in the next video I'll probably be able to use it well for you guys to enjoy what it's going to add to the channel. So I'm very excited about this. I'm hoping it's going to help me add a lot of, like, you know, sort of increase the production quality of the videos, a lot of new and interesting angles, maybe some aerial shots and things like that. Maybe I can do something on the track with it. If someone gives me a ride along, I can be on the GoPro and the drone can be on the outside and we have some dope shots. I'm still gonna figure that out, but I'm pretty excited about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please click on the thumbs up icon to leave us a like. And if you'd like to see more from Project Zangetsu, please click subscribe and be sure to hit that bell icon so you are notified each and every time I drop new content on this here channel. As usual, people, take care of each other, stay awesome, and keep the dream alive. Peace.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'ma show you